Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a gazpacho soup that is perfect for the hot summer days. However, I am going to be making this even more refreshing by incorporating watermelon into it. As some of you may know, gazpacho is a tomato soup that gets eaten chilled, and as a Mexican, I never thought this was appropriate because I kind of associated it with salsa and thought this was basically like eating salsa out of like a molcajete. But I tried this recipe with watermelon and it totally changed the game for me. So ever since I tried that, I've been wanting to make it for you guys, and now that it's summer, it's perfect. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. I'm going to get started by cutting half a medium-sized watermelon and blending it so I can measure about 4 cups of watermelon juice. I just happened to get lucky here and get exactly 4 cups. Then I will be adding 3 fresh medium-sized tomatoes to the blender. I am roughly chopping the pieces so everything blends more easily and evenly. Next, I will be peeling and de-seeding a large cucumber. Don't forget to keep your cucumber seeds and add some salt to have a refreshing snack while cooking. I'm going to reserve the edge so I can serve the gazpacho with some cucumber pieces. Next, I am adding 1 jalapeno pepper. I deveined and de-seeded it because I can't handle spice, but feel free to add the whole thing if you want your gazpacho more spicy. Be careful though. Lastly, we will add 1 small-sized yellow or white onion. To season, I will be adding a generous amount of olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, as well as the juice of 2 limes. For serving, I will be adding the diced cucumber as well as some basil from my herb garden. Summer is a great time to get started on that gardening you always wanted to do. I am also adding some more lime juice as well as olive oil. And there it is, guys, the perfect gazpacho that will refresh your hot summer days. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching this recipe, and make sure to follow us for more fresh content.